Welcome to online class. Day 30, class 7, subject social study, lesson 2.6, our flock culture. Yes, today this is new lesson. Yes, and today we will study about our flock culture. Yes, what is the meaning of flock culture? First of all, we will know the meaning of flock culture. Yes, flock culture means generation to generation. Yes, generation to generation that past. Yes, past our traditional culture, that means folk culture. जुन हाम्रो जेनेरेसन टु जेनेरेसन जुन हाम्रो पास हुँदै जान्छ नि नलेजहरू हाम्रो ट्रेडिसनहरू त्यसलाई के भन्छ त फ्लक कल्चर. यस द्याट मिन्स फ्लक कल्चर. लुक एट द डेफिनेसन अफ फ्लक कल्चर. द कल्चर विच वाज डेभलप फ्रम अर्डिनरी पिपुल इन द पास्ट. यस पहिलाको व्यक्तिले जुन यो कल्चर जुन डेभलप गर्नु भएको हो. यस एन्ड पास्ड फ्रम जेनेरेसन टु जेनेरेसन भनेको जुन जेनेरेसन टु जेनेरेसन हामीले सेयर गर्छौँ पास गर्छौँ नि. यस त्यसलाई भन्छ एज ट्रेडिसन इज नोन एज फ्लक कल्चर. यस पास्ट पिपुल डेभलप द्याट यस culture and that pass to generation that is known as flock culture. Yes, the culture which was developed from ordinary people in the past and passed from generation to generation as a tradition is known as flock culture. Yes, flock culture means traditional dance. Yes, music, song. Yes, these all are the flock culture. Yes, सबै आफ्नो डिफ्रेन्ट कास्टहरूको डिफ्रेन्ट के हुन्छ त ट्रेडिसनल कल्चर हुन्छ जुन चाहिँ जेनेरेसन टु जेनेरेसन चल्छ. यस द्याट द फ्लोक कल्चर कन्सिस्ट अफ डिफ्रेन्ट ट्रेडिसन कस्टम सङ म्युजिक. यस डान्स स्टोरिज वे अफ लिभिङ राइट्स एन्ड रिचुअल्स रिलिजियन्स बिलिफ प्रोफेसनल स्किल इटिसी विच आर passed from generation to generation. We know that very well because we are also following these rules. Yes, we are also following these rules in our practical life. हामीले पनि यही कुरा फलो गर्दैछौँ हाम्रो लाइफमा. हामीले आफ्नो प्यारेन्ट्सबाट ग्रान्ड प्यारेन्ट्सबाट यो कुराहरू सिक्दैछौँ. यस हाम्रो आफ्नो कल्चर ट्रेडिसन कस्टम दिस अल थिङ्स वी आर फलोइङ फ्रम आवर प्यारेन्ट्स आवर ग्रान्ड प्यारेन्ट्स प्यारेन्ट्स. यस हामीले चाहिँ पुर्खौलीहरूबाट चाहिँ हामी यो कुराहरू सिक्दै आइरहेका छौँ. हाम्रो प्यारेन्ट्सहरूले सिकाउनुहुन्छ आवर नर्म्स भ्यालुज बिलिफ ट्रेडिसन. यस हाम्रो जुन कास्टको कुनै फेस्टिभलमा हामीले कुन सङ गाउनु पर्छ यो सबै हामीले कुन कस्टम लगाउनु कुन कपडा हामीले लगाउनु पर्छ यो सबै के हुन्छ त हाम्रो जेनेरेसन बाई जेनेरेसन पास हुँदै जान्छ. प्यारेन्ट्स टिच अस एन्ड वी टिच आवर चिल्ड्रेन. यस यो सधैँ फलोअप नै हुन्छ कहिले पनि यो चाहिँ हामीले छोड्दैनौँ. यस आवर कन्ट्री इज अ कमन गार्डन. यस कमन गार्डन फर मेनी एथिक्स ग्रुप वी नो द्याट भेरी वेल. यस मल्टी ल्याङ्ग्वेजल कन्ट्री. यस मल्टी एथिक ग्रुप कन्ट्री. मेनी ल्याङ्ग्वेज आर स्पोकन हियर एज अ मदर टङ. यस सो इट इज known as a common garden. And different people follow different rules and regulation, different tradition, different culture. Yes, they have different types of culture, tradition, customs. The folk culture has become our very valuable asset. Yes, folk culture is our asset, valuable asset. Yes, यसले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ हामीलाई मान्छेले चिन्ने गर्छन् हामी कुन जातिका हौ भने हाम्रो चाहिँ यो कल्चर फ्लो कल्चरले हामीलाई चिन्ने गर्छन्. यस and they also respect to us. Asset and identity. Our folk culture is influenced by our religious tradition. Our folk culture is mainly reflected through our folk song. Yes, folk music, folk dress, dance and way of life. Yes, and here we discuss about today. Next topic I will discuss you about folk song. Yes, folk culture means which we follow. Yes, which our past teach us and we learn that things, and we also passed to our generation, teacher for our generation, that is our flock culture. Yes, and this flock culture is very important for us. This is very valuable asset for us because flock culture means our identity. Yes, identity, which many people know through this. And next topic is flock song. Yes, what is the meaning of flock song? The song according to place, culture, race, custom, etc. are called flock song. Yes, जुन चाहिँ हामीले कल्चरल अनुसारले हामी गाउँछौँ, फेस्टिभल अनुसारले गाउँछौँ, ठाउँ अनुसारले जुन हामी गाउँछौँ नि त्यसलाई के भनिन्छ त फ्लक सङ. यस, हामीले धान रोप्ने बेलामा हामी असारे गाना गाउँछौँ. यस, काट्ने बेलामा हामी एउटा गाना गाउँछौँ. सबैको आफ्नो राइट्स एन्ड रिचुअल हुन्छ, त्यतिखेर हामीले गाना गाउँछौँ. यस, त्यो भनेको फ्लक सङ. different people have different flock song according to their caste, tradition, culture. Flock song reflect the way of life, custom, belief, custom, etc. The flock song contain the words about joy, sorrow, union or separation, love and or complaint. Complaint. Yes. यो जुन फ्लक सङले के छ त भनेको मायाको बारेमा, पीडाको बारेमा, खुसीको बारेमा, हरेक चीजको बारेमा अहिले के गर्छ त हामीले वर्ड सिकाउँछ. यस, हामीलाई त्यसले के गराउँछ त हामीले त्यो सङबाट पनि हामी धेरै कुरा सिक्ने गर्छौं. यस, they are sung melodiously. They have power to touch our heart, develop our positive feelings. Yes, and change us. Normally we know that things. Yes, हामीलाई यो normally हामीलाई यो कुरा चाहिँ थाहा पनि छ. When we listen song, it change our mind. Yes, it's change our mind, positive thinking. Yes, it touch our heart. Yes, we feel sad sometimes if we listen sad song. Yes, if we listen that romantic song. Yes, if we listen festival song, then we become festive, happy. Yes, हामीले जस्तो तरिकाको सङ हामी सुन्छौँ, हामी त्यस्तै के हुन्छ त हाम्रो माइन्ड डेभलप हुन्छ. They also incertain and make us fresh. र हामीलाई सङले के गर्छ त माइन्ड फ्रेश बनाइदिन्छ. यस, के गरिदिन्छ त हाम्रो माइन्ड एकदमै फ्रेश बनाइदिन्छ. and then there are different types of flock song prevalent in our society. हाम्रो सोसाइटीमा चाहिँ फ्लक सङ के छ त एकदमै डिफरेन्ट टाइप्सको छ. के छ त? यस, प्रेयर सङ, यस, customary song, festive song, functional song. Yes, just I have explained you that according to festival. Yes, according to festival they song. Yes, according to customary. Yes, according to function they song. There are different types of songs. Yes, this topic I will explain you in next class in details. Yes, festival song, functional song, customary song, prayer song. These all things I will explain you details in next class. Yes, and today I will give you some tasks and please complete your tasks. This is your task. What do you mean by flock culture? Flock culture भनेको के हो? Just I have explained there. Yes, right from there. What does flock culture consist of? Flock cultureले चाहिँ के consist गर्छ त्यो लेख्नुहोस् यहाँ. Yes, I have explained you that. Explain briefly the importance of our flock culture. Flock culture को importance के हो त, महत्व के हो त त्यो explain गर्नु. This is long answer. This C number is long answer, so please write briefly. Okay. In book there are some question also there. Look here. Please complete this question also. Okay. यो जुन क्वेशन बाँकी छ नि त्यसलाई पनि कम्प्लिट गर्नुहोस् है. Look here. Answer the following question. Here is written some question. Yes, remaining some question. Write that also. Okay. And in next topic, I will teach you about details about song. Thank you for today. Stay safe. Stay home.